What's going on, you guys? So today we're gonna have another Cricut Explore Air 2 video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the iron-ons. So I already have a design loaded into Design Space. I'm going to make a shirt for Kelsey. We picked this up at Walmart the other day. This was $2.88. I've got my black iron-on, which doesn't require any transfer paper. I've got it set to iron-on. Got the mirrored image. So now that we've got this all set, let's go ahead and cut our transfer paper. I'm gonna just use it 12 inches wide and then just cut it 10 inches long. These go shiny side down. Send this to the printer. Sweet. So it's finally done. That took a while. Alright. Let's see what we got to do is cut this edge off. And I'm going to save. So I got the whole border done. Alright, now the fun part. I'm going to go ahead and get my iron plugged in. And the first thing you got to do is preheat the area. Nice and warm. Alright, hopefully that's straight enough. And then I like to get a good base heat, get it tacked down, and then you have to hold it in each spot for 20 seconds. You can go ahead and test the edge, make sure it's peeling up. Iron it down again. Alright. So there we have it. Looks like it came out pretty centered. And that's a picture that we took at the Denver Zombie Crawl. I'll go ahead and add in the original photo too. Pretty sweet. Alright guys, well that's all for today. If you made it this far, thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.